Hi, congratulations on getting tagged. My name is Dhananjay and today I am going to show you how to set up your account and use it effectively. Quickly unbox your card from the packaging and grab your phone. Turn on the NFC sensor on your smartphone if not already enabled, or use the QR code scanner to scan this QR code behind your card. Now a sign up page will open wherein you have to fill your email address, username, a sign up code and a password. To sign up, you can use your desired username or email ID, and for the sign up code you can refer to the invoice for the invoice number or the order number. For the password, you can set up any password as per your liking. After filling all these details, kindly agree on the terms and conditions and click on the sign up button. After successfully signing up, you will be asked to log in again with your username or your email ID and your password. After logging in, you will be presented with this dashboard. Through this dashboard, you can edit or delete any kind of data that is stored in your card. Now on the dashboard, you can view the links tab. Through the links tab, you can add, edit or delete any kind of links. Now to add a link, just click on add link and just paste your desired link. Also put a suitable title for that link. After that, select an icon suitable and related to that link which will be displayed on your profile. Once you have entered the data, you can just click on add link. After adding the link, it will successfully appear on your profile. Now you can add multiple links for your social media handles or your portfolio website or any such related links. Upon adding multiple links, now you can drag to change the position of the links. Now next to the link tab, you can view the UPI tab. Through this tab, just add your name, a desired set amount, or leave it blank if you don't want to set any amount, and enter your UPI ID and just click on add. After this, your UPI ID will be successfully added and it will appear on your profile. Next to the UPI tab is your contact tab. Here, add your name, email address, phone number and your company details and click on save. After doing this, your Save My Contact button will appear on your profile, through which anyone can save your contact by just clicking on it. Next to the contact button, you have the others button where you can add your WhatsApp or email ID through which anyone can contact you by just clicking on it. Now it's time to customize the profile appearance of your page. Now just navigate through the menu and click on Appearance. On this page, you can add, edit or delete your profile photo, set your title, set your name and also set a bio for you. After this, you can also choose the wide range of themes available to customize your profile as per your liking. Now navigate to the settings menu and through here you can update your email ID, password and your username. Now your card is ready for use. Just tap this card behind any NFC enabled smartphone or scan the QR code with any QR code scanner on your smartphone. For any further queries or problems related to setting up your account, you can contact us through the link mentioned below in the description. We wish you all the best and we hope that you use our card effectively and reach new goals.